Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel, European Fashion Hairstyles. I hope you're fine and doing good. First of all, I would like to tell you that in my videos, I'll show you trendy haircuts and hair dye ideas all over the world, which makes you look more presentable. If you want to see the latest haircuts and hair colors, friends, then watch my video till the end. And do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna show you Fringe bob haircut. Guys, this is very sexy and bold haircut for girls. As you guys seen in the picture, this makes you look bold and more prettier. Guys, this is very informative video. Please watch my video till the end for more pictures and more ideas. Guys, watch my video till the end so that you do not miss any haircut and hair dye idea. And if you want to get this haircut, take a screenshot of a haircut and hair color which you want. By saving the picture, you can easily get this haircut or hair dye from any parlor. Guys, this is a very cute and very boldish looking haircut as you guys seen in the pictures. Look this one. After watching the video, you guys please throw a comment in the comment section that you like my video and my channel and suggest to me some good ideas for haircuts and hair colors which you want. I will be very happy to follow your comments and I will make a video for you. Thank you so much guys for trusting on me. Guys, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon that you will be notified by my new videos. Guys, please like my videos and support my channel. Guys, please watch my video till the end. This is very informative video for you all, for all the girls who want a very beautiful and boldish look. This is the best video for you. Guys, if you like my videos, share my videos on your social media accounts, share it with your friends so that they can visit my YouTube channel and watch the amazing videos and get amazing ideas for haircuts and hair colors. I will continue making more videos for you guys. Please support and watch my videos. Guys, please subscribe to my channel that you will be notified by my new